Hi everybody, it's me Plantain Charlene and Happy New Year. I have been off of my channel for a little while now and I am back and I have different news to share. It's not a big deal, but I still want to share some updates with you guys since I've been gone. So let's get to that. Okay, so if you've been to my channel before, you know that I like to thank all of the viewers. I appreciate everyone and anyone who is watching, whether subscribed or not. If you haven't subscribed already, I hope you will consider doing that today. And don't forget to comment below, like the video, and click the bell to know when a new video has posted. You can also share this video if you think there's someone out there you know will appreciate seeing what I'm discussing. So thank you, everybody. Okay, one of the off the top changes you'll see if you've watched my videos in the past is that my background has changed. I have finally purchased the Milsbo, I think it's called, whatever, piece from Ikea, the greenhouse. It was out of stock in New Jersey, Brooklyn, Long Island, and two places in New Jersey, the Paramus store and another store. Could not find it. I kept searching within 100 miles of where I lived. Not that I was willing to travel that far, but no one had it in stock. Finally, it was back in stock, and at the time, I didn't have the money to buy it. So once I was able to find that money again, to buy it, it was gone again. So finally I was able to grab it up when I saw that it was back in stock. Ended up purchasing this along with this other piece from Ikea. I'll do a little video so you guys can see the whole thing. And it was a challenge, okay, trying to find this, well, the Milsbo or whatever it's called piece. The other one that you see here in white, that one was not an issue. I didn't even know it existed because it's a new item with Ikea. The one thing I do like about this one, though it's much smaller, I like the fact that it has the grates on the side that allows a lot of airflow. So if you want humidity in there, you're probably going to have to put something in there that will build its own humidity. But it will allow more air to flow. You wouldn't, I don't know, you may still want to put a fan in there, maybe not. You know, preference. That's what it's all about, your preference. But the Milsbo, I do have what do you call that? A humidity checker in here. And it's currently showing at 59%, and I have nothing in here but a couple of glasses of water to evaporate over time and build humidity. But even before I added that in here, the humidity stays pretty much around, I'm going to say 60 on average percent. So that's good, and I'm happy about that. So that is one of my updates. I have new pieces of furniture for my plants. As you saw, there are plenty of plants in both of them. Well, more so the Milsbo piece, but more plants can go in the smaller Ikea piece, and I'm very happy about that. So that is my first update. Okay, my second update, I had to do a lot of moving, and not moving from my home, but I had to move all of my plants out of this space because I was getting new floors put in throughout the foyer, the living room, and my hallway. So majority of my plants are in my living room, and I had to move everything out of this living room. and I did not bring back everything that was in here that was furniture. I got rid of things, and it's still a mess in here because of some other news that I have that I'm very happy to talk about. But before I get to that, I just wanted to show you guys the floors, because moving plants is a whole different kind of story when you're not packing them up to move them from one place to another, from one home to another home. I had to just try and make space where there wasn't in my home to accommodate all the plants out of this living room and into my bedroom, my bathroom, my kitchen, my son's room. It was a lot going on here. I don't have video to show you all of that, but you will see how the old floors looked and how the new floors looked. And I am happy, very happy with these floors, these new floors. They are waterproof, because where I live, unfortunately, there are floods that happen a lot with the convectors, which is your AC and heating piece, and I can't think of the word, but it's what gives me my central air and my central heat. But there are floods that happen through the convectors. So I finally got upgraded on my floors. I didn't have to pay any money. There's nothing better than free. Can't get better than free. So there they are, my new floors. I'm thankful. All of it's over, and I am going on to the next set of news that I wanted to tell you guys about. Okay, so the last thing I wanted to tell you guys about is the best news that I can share. We finally bought a house. Yes, thank you, God. I am thankful. I am very thankful. I am so thankful. We bought this house. We have been looking at buying a house, not the full time since 2016, but we started in 2016 at looking for what we, would like, what kind of neighborhood, what area. It's going to be out of state. I'm leaving New York, but I'm not leaving yet. At least that's not the plan. I won't be leaving for a couple of years. I wanted to do a little video while I was there, but I won't be going until next week to the house, and there's a few things that we need to do there before I do any type of video inside the home, other than maybe what I will share in this, so you guys can see at least the kitchen area, because I think that's all I have right now. But what I'm saying is, I now have a backyard, I have rooms, I have space, I have areas that I can put all of these plants and then some. But I won't be moving yet, so all of them will be staying here. So when I moved all of these plants around the home, it gave me an inkling of what I need to prepare myself for when I actually move these plants from, basically, I'm like, I have a house, finally. I think I've discussed it briefly in some of, or at least one of my videos, and now it's official that we have the house. I always said I can't wait to have a backyard. We have a nice sized backyard. We have a front yard. We have sides. I am just so looking forward to showing you guys what that's going to look like. Though it's going to be at least 2 years before that really happens. Not one plant will be leaving this home until I officially live down there, because no one's going to take care of the plants if I'm not there. So they have to be wherever I'm at the time. So currently the plants will be staying here in New York with me, and they will make their debut in the house when we are officially living out there, and that's that. So I know it may not seem like it, but I am so excited about that factor, but it's really going to hit when I leave this state of New York and move to my new state. And until that happens, I'm still in my apartment. I'm still caring for everything here. All the videos, or majority of the videos, will be here. If there's any time I'm in that house and I purchase a plant, I will do a video and just kind of share that space that I'm in at the time. And you know, so you're gonna see some new changes, as in background changes, space changes, everything's changing. And then I will say, my sign fell. So my sign now says Plantine Holland. Okay, not Plantine Charlene anymore. I can't find my C and my E, so I have to do something. I have to find it. I don't know where it could have fallen. This space is still not looking the best because, again, still trying to find things that we're going to be moving to the house. So packing up things to move out there that can be there, personal items, clothes, and you know, whatever. So that's everything. Happy New Year again, if I didn't say it already. Happy New Year to everybody and anybody, and 2022 is here, and life is still not the way it was before, but that's okay. God bless everybody. What I'm trying to get to is, thank you all for watching. This is the end of the video, and I am thankful. I pray that you all stay healthy, stay happy, stay blessed. Keep planting, and bye. Boo boy. Boo boy.